Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will be covering a concept how to start and stop the instance automatically using AWS Lambda plus event scheduler. So here our main focus will be how to schedule a time to start and stop automatically. Means this cron or a event scheduler has to do your work in your absence. So basically we need one instance, so we have it DevOps instance which is in stop state. So first focus is start and stop both. So here we will be not triggering any lambda function, but we will be writing a lambda function and we will be giving one time for an event scheduler. So event scheduler has to do its job at the time which we specify. So first go to the lambda function. So here you should be having two functions. One is EC2 start function and EC2 stop function. This both function, how to create this function, how to trigger it through the lambda, I have shown you in my previous videos. Please go there and check it. Please watch those full videos, create a functions and come back here for configuring the schedulers. So first has our EC2 instance is at in stop state. I want to start it. So I will go to my start function and you can see here add trigger, click on that. So here you can search for EventBridge, click on it. So this is the event. So first I will be creating a new role. So I will be like EC2 start scheduler. So description I will be giving like scheduler for starting the function. So click on schedule expression, cron. Here in schedule expression there will be a six expressions, six fields. So six fields. Okay, for example you can check over here. This is the way how we will write. So I have added cron. So what I want to add is, see right now it is 12:59. So I want to start my EC2 instance at 1 hour at 1 minute. Okay, so here one important thing you can see here, cron expression are in UTC. So UTC means as I am sitting in India. So my time is 1 o'clock. But if I want to add a cron expression in UTC, then I have to subtract 5 or 30 minutes from my Indian time. So how much? Here it is 1 o'clock, subtract 5:30 means nothing but the 7:30. So that 7:30, but I want to start my cron at 1 2. So 7:32. Okay, let's add it over here. So 32 is minute, 7 is hour, 1 star is for every hour. Then here comes I don't know what's I mean Monday to Friday any and every year. So it will be like minute, hour, every day, every month, and Monday to Friday and every day should be working, and last is every year. Okay, so no space here, just add it. So now we can see here it is 13:1. At the 13:2 our EC2 should be stopping. Let's see. I'm not gonna trigger or I'm not gonna test it active. Just go here. So it is in stop state. So let's wait till it becomes 1 2. Or else instead of waiting we can do scheduler for stopping the server. So let's do it and come over just at 1 2 we'll come back and see the status. Until there we will create a one more scheduler. Just go to the function as we have done for the start function, same thing we have to do for the stop function. What we did a add trigger, click on that. Here what we did, event bridge, click on the event bridge. So done. Here also I'm gonna create new rule, that is EC2 stop scheduler. Okay, so scheduler for stopping EC2. Okay, so schedule. So okay, what we will be given here, cron. Okay, at 1 2 I have said it will be start, so 1 6 we will be starting it. So okay, let's keep like 1 6 in the sense 7. Right now we have here 7:32, so 7:36. So 36 is minutes, 7 is hour, every day, every month. We can't specify the day, so question mark, and every year. Okay, just add it. So we have added. So our EC2 instance should be stopping at 136, 1 6. Okay, now it is 1 3. Let's go back and see if it have been started. Okay, it's in running, you can see, and it is showing as initializing, means right now it got started, means at 1 2 it got started. And now I am not gonna do anything. Let's sit and wait till 1 6. This server should go down again to the stop state, because we have added the scheduler to stop the instance at 1 6. So let's wait for that. So this is the proof how our scheduler is gonna work. I had added my EC2 start scheduler at 1 2, and exactly at 1 2 it got started, and it is initializing also. Okay, 2 by 2 check pass. Now it is 1 4. Let's wait 2 more minutes to check if it is going to the stopping state. This was our function. So this is the details. You can see here full details. We have given at 7:36 is nothing but 1 6 of Indian time. Let's wait 2 more minutes. Okay, 1 more minute. And same way, what you can, this I have given like 1 2 starting and 1 6 as stopping, just for the proof. I can't give it like a morning 9 o'clock or night 10 o'clock, and I can't take a video. That's why I did it. So in your case, how you can do is, you can schedule a start EC2 instant at 9 o'clock or 8:30 when your office gets starts, or at that time, and you can turn off the EC2 instance at after 10 o'clock or after night 9 o'clock 9 p.m. So why this method we are going to use is, has in every company we will be having the three environments, that is dev, UAT and prod. So prod is the one which will be running for 24 into 7, but dev and UAT is like it will be used by internal. So this is like nothing but like we are gonna for use for the 24 hours. So just for the cost cutting we can use this. This is one of the cost optimization method. So rather than you paying for the EC2 which runs for the 24 hours, you can cut off the cost and pay only for 12 hours or 12 hours. 12 hours in the sense 50% will be cut off. So you can run this for the 12 hours, like 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. or 8:30 to 10, somewhere that way. Rather than paying for the 24 hours, just do a cost cut by using this. So S1 6, we will go back and check if it is going for the stopping state. Yes, it is stopped. It was in the running state at 1 6 and it came to the stop. See, now it is 1 7. So this is how we are adding a scheduler for start instance and stop instance. Same way you can do for the RDS, you can do for the ECS, Stay tuned for that. My upcoming videos will be on how to start and stop the RDS instances or stop and start the ECS task, where you can do a one task to 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, that way. So stay tuned. Bye.